Choo choo! Oh, hello there! Are you the next passengers that I will carry to the next station? If so, sit tight and fasten your seatbelts because in just a few minutes, our choo-choo train is ready to go. For today, our topic will be about sound isolation. What is sound isolation?
Phoneme isolation is a strategy that helps develop students' phonemic awareness, which is part of phonological awareness. It involves having students identify specific phonemes in words. For example, first, middle, or last sound. Phoneme isolation tasks can be done in conjunction with phoneme segmentation tasks.
Now that we know what sound isolation is, I will present to you some of its examples.
Our first word consists of three sounds. The first one is the second one is a, and the third one is p. Again, a, p. What is the first sound in map? The first sound is
Let's move on to the next example.
The word cat is made up of three sounds. The first one is k, the second one is a, and the third one is t. Again, k, a, t. What is the second sound in cat? The second sound is a.
And for the last example,
Our third example is made up of four sounds. The first one is sh, the second one is a, the third one is and the last one is k. Again, sh, k. What is the fourth sound in shark? The fourth sound is k.
now that you know how to isolate sounds, let's see if you've mastered our topic for today.
You need to isolate sounds in three different words. What is the second sound in the word bag? There are three sounds in the word bag. The first one is b, the second one is a, and the last one is g. Again, p, a, g. That means the answer is a. Did you get it right? Very good! What is the first sound in the word fly? There are three sounds in the word fly. The first one is f, the second one is l, the last one is I. Again, f, l, I. The answer in this item is f. Did you get the right answer? Excellent! What is the fourth sound of the word mask? The word mask is made up of four sounds. A, s, k. Again, a, s, k. That means the answer in this item is k.
How many correct answers did you get? That's amazing! You really learned how to isolate sounds. Oh, I didn't even notice. You are now at your destination. I hope you enjoyed my company. See you on our next trip. Goodbye! Choo choo!